if you're new to this channel and you also love traveling and exploring the world and adventures, then what I'd encourage you to do is get over to the playlists and click on the travel playlist. It's where I upload my travels, not all of them, but the ones I've done so far. And I'm going to continually be uploading those. I know this is not a travel YouTube channel. However, travel is one of the things that I've always loved to do from a very young age, and till today. I always try to spontaneously go to new places, randomly check out new places. Some people call me a foodie, some people call me a nomad or a world traveler. I've been dubbed all these names. But I just love seeing what this beautiful earth has. I like to check out new places. I like to check out architecture. I love seeing new places being built and explored. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the time I was in Belgium and climbed a Belfry. Now, by the way, I've been all over Europe. I love entering cathedrals. I love climbing the belfries if they allow it. Even if you have to donate and pay, I've done that so many times where I donate and pay. Well, here's one that I do in Belgium, but this one is very special, and I encourage you to watch the entire video because not only are you going to see me climbing the belfry, but you're also going to see parts in between. There's different plateaus in the belfry, and inside there you're going to see one of the most famous music box mechanisms. You've probably seen these in like those little jewelry boxes that you turn and plays music. Well, this one has one of the largest ones in the world still in existence. I don't even know if it's still there. I hope it is. It's an amazing piece of artwork and protected by the Heritage Association, I think, of Belgium. But anyway, it's an amazing piece of art, and it chimes the bells. It's the main mechanism that drives and makes all the sounds of the bells in this area. So I encourage you to watch the entire video all the way to the end till I get to the top, and then as I start my descent. So if you also like travel or are looking for maybe a specific video, specific country, let me know, put it in the comments. So I'm headed up the belfry, bell tower here. Small, really narrow stairs. And funny thing is, if I can spin this around, they told me to actually pace myself and stop at every corner, so we'll do that. You can check out different sites. I think this is one right here. I think this is like level 1. I'm guessing. See what we can see out this window. Not much, but basically, these locks open up the doors. Pretty cool. All right, let's go to the second floor. Come on. Small passageways. Really small passageways. Doesn't allow you to more than one person at the same time. By the way, this is the city of
gaunt, or as they say, gaunt, something like that. As you can see, this goes all the way up, really narrow steps. It's getting darker, a little bit more freaky. Oh my god, this is crazy. Look at this. Let's check this out. Little tiny room of nothing. I get locked up in there. Alright. Whoa. Look at this place. We're not even there yet. This is the room of the bells. Oh. That was good. Oh look, there is an elevator. I'm not using it. Let's keep going. Look at those. This is a watchtower for also against the enemy when they would arrive. Let's sound these bells. Let's keep going. You kind of feel the height because the air is getting tighter and tighter, or smaller, I guess you could say. Man, and these steps are so small. Oh dang. Alright. These steps are so small, and holy crap. No wonder why she said take the elevator. I need to rest at this landing right here, because guess what? This keeps going up even further. I'm not at the top yet. As you can see, there is an elevator. And from here, they have the like windows open, kind of, you know. Kind of can see outside. And let's just put it this way. I'm not at the top yet. So, I'm gonna go up a little bit more. This is insane. I've been up a few bell towers in my time. This one is not only creepy, but really tight and really tiny. And they gave me like this laminated storyboard, which is not really helpful. You've got to be kidding me. Check this out. I don't know if that means step 219 or what. Look up there. Holy crap. All right. This is just really tiny right here. Wow. Okay, so if you're claustrophobic, you're probably not gonna want to do this at all. The walls are really cold and really narrow. You know? So if you're afraid of narrow spaces, this isn't for you. Oh. Okay, so what this big thing does, you've probably seen this in, there we go. You've probably seen this in wind-up clocks. This is basically a chime that rings every 15 minutes. It's just a really large version of a chime. That's what it is. You've probably seen these in like wind-up toys and musical boxes. This is just a really large version of that. And this plays, you see those strings, and I know you probably can see it, but it's playing the church bells upstairs. Okay, thank you. So, I think Let's see if we can go up one more. To the Belfry. And this is as far as we can go, because it stops us here at this locked gate. Can't open it, it's bolted, locked, but this door is locked too. But if you can see in here, that's what's making all those bells chime. See if I can kill my light for you. See the bells chiming in there. Pretty cool. Although, the ones that I'm looking at not really that visible. At least they're not dinging, the ones I'm looking at. But at least we heard them. Go check that down. See what's happening down there. Oh. It's okay, it's okay. I'm gonna go this way. Thank you. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. All right, here we are. Actually, let me pause and restart. All right, so here we go, back down the narrow stairs. Man, that was crazy. What a beautiful view. Probably the best part of this trip, to this city anyway, was checking that out. Now we're headed back down these small, narrow passageways. The wind in here is just picking up. It's amazing how much wind is in this small halls right now. Wow! I don't know if you can see comparison to my feet, how narrow these stairs are. Can you see that? It's crazy. It's incredible. I'm just gonna stuff this paper real quick in my jacket so I can grab the railing. This is insane. Okay, so it was a lot easier, probably and a bit faster, to go up these stairs. Going down is a challenge. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna actually shut you off here. And I'm gonna sign out. I'm gonna sign out because going down these stairs is really difficult. Yeah. Awesome. Good times, good times.